welcome to another episode of Creative Kids at Home with the Livermore Public Library. Today we'll be making bubble solution and a special bubble blower. Let's find out how. Let's begin by making our bubble solution. For this, you're going to need 1.5 cups warm water from the tap, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1/2 cup of dishwashing liquid. But first, I need to grab a bowl in which to mix them. May I have a bowl, assistant? This one's perhaps a little too large. Let's try a different one. That surely won't do. Let's try one that's a little taller, maybe with a lid. Better, much better. Okay, now let's mix it up. We are going to add our 1.5 cups water. We are going to add our 2 teaspoons sugar. 1, 2. Now I need something to mix it up with. Should I trust my assistant to give me what I need? I guess that works. So you're gonna mix it all up until the sugar is dissolved. Then let's measure out our soap. Let's mix it all up. And there you have your bubble solution. When you're not using it, you can put a lid on it and save it for later. To make your bubble blower, you're going to need some scissors, an empty water bottle, rubber band, and an old sock. I have my assistant to thank for his old sock. First, have a grown-up cut the water bottle in half, because you're going to use the part over here that has the mouthpiece, and then about half of the bottle. So cut it off with a grown-up. So there you go. Now be careful with the edges. They could be a little pokey and sharp. Now we're going to take an old sock. We're also going to cut that in half. And we're just going to use the toe. Now, place the sock over the top of your water bottle and secure it with a rubber band. So there you have your bubble blower. This doesn't look like the little wands that come with the bubble solution you buy at the store. Do you want to know what these bubbles look like? Let's go see. So there you have it. I hope you have fun blowing bubbles. How long of a bubble snake do you think you can make? Let's see. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.